Good morning, class 6. We are in chapter electricity and circuit, and today I am going to teach you about electric current. In previous lecture, we discussed about electric cell, torch, the inside view of a torch showing bulb, cell, and torch. Let us discuss about electric current. Why do you think that the bulb glow when wires are connected? There must be something flowing in the wires, and this something must have energy. Otherwise, it cannot produce heat and light energy in the bulb. And here, something is known as electric current. You can see in figure 13.4a how wires are connected to a dry cell and a bulb, and then bulb is glowing. Here bulb is not glowing because wire are not connected. This is disconnected. Electrical energy converted into light and heat energy when current flow through an electric bulb. Whenever you see an electric bulb, you found that an electric current convert its form into heat and light energy. The electric current flow from the end of the cell marked plus, which is known as positive terminals, through the metal wires to the end mark minus, called negative terminals. Means electric current flow from positive terminal to negative terminal. Now let us discuss about another topic, which is electric circuit. What do you understand by electric circuit? So a closed path where electric current flow from positive terminals to negative terminal are said to be electric circuit. Electric circuit is pictorial representation of electrical path. We can draw electric circuit with the help of some symbols of electrical components or devices. Like whenever one cell are placed in a circuit, then we draw a certain pattern of symbol, and whenever a combination of cells are arranged or placed in a circuit, then we will draw a certain pattern of symbol. You can easily see figures 13.5, some electric components and their symbols, in which you can see the symbol of cell, a battery, switch, bulb, because with the help of these symbols we can draw a circuit diagram. Okay, we can draw a circuit diagram. Okay, an electric circuit draw using symbols. You can see this is electric circuit. This is electric circuit. Now, a path of electric current, a closed path of electric current are said to be circuit. When electric current allows the flow of current, it's said to be complete or closed. When the path of current is now obstructed and it can no longer flow, the wire are said to be broken or open. When you want to put off a light or fan, what do? The switch that you use for this purpose work by breaking the electric current. The switch is an important part of the electric current and it is present in all circuit. If we want to start or put off any electrical appliance like bulb or fan, we go to touch a switch. When we turn off switch of fan, it means we break the flow of electric current. Components such as bulb, wire, cell and switch are known as elements of circuit. Or we can also say that elements are made up of such components like bulb, wire, cell, switch. That's why they are said to be elements of circuit.